The Multi-Edge Flex is a flexible lawn edging made from recycled plastic. Easily create an attractive and virtually invisible edging to separate gravel, grass or paving. Do you want to create straight edges or curved winding contours? The possibilities are endless. The Multi-Edge Flex is available in different heights and includes pegs. Installing the Multi-Edge Flex is easy and quick. Start by marking the desired location and shape of the edging. Separate the edgings and pegs from each other. In case you want to make a round shape, use a wire cutter to remove the connecting pieces. Place the edging at the desired location. Slide the ends of the edging sections into each other to connect them. Any excess length can be cut off with a handsaw for wood. Use a hammer to secure the pegs carefully into the soil. Finish by filling the area next to the edging and leave a few millimeters protruding above the surface. The edging is now practically invisible. The Multi-Edge Flex can be used in many different ways, such as a separation between grass, gravel, bark, or as an edging along the driveway. The perfect flexible finish for any garden.